Ja, als je daar behoefte aan hebt,
Wel ja, hè.
dan ja. Hey!
We zijn er.
We're live.
Hey,
We're live.
Oh.
hello everybody.
Oh, okay.
Are we live? Are we actually live?
We're live.
I can't see myself yet.
So sad.
It's really sad.
Yes, you are.
Hey everybody, thank you for joining. I hope that we're live. I still can't see myself, but oh well.
Well,
Everybody who's
want the
just
mirror?
joining us on, yeah, please, a mirror would be great, Joel. Thanks for offering.
I know.
Everybody watching on Bookface and Instagram, head over to YouTube. It's been really long since I've said this.
More than a month.
YouTube.
More than a month.
YouTube. It's more than a month since I've had to say this.
Last
so,
time was 31st of June. July. That's a long time ago. June.
Je houdt van de kleine dingen.
Ik waardeer.
Ja.
Gewoon de kleine
Sorry, ga maar door.
nee, is goed. Dat is,
Wij zijn even aan het leven.
ja, Hidde is
zijn
het leven aan het ervaren.
Het leven in zijn volste hevigheid. aan het
Anyway,
ondervinden.
we can no longer say that because it's live, because it's not live, that we're late. Actually, this time we're live and we're still like 5 minutes late. So apologies for that, everybody.
Yeah.
People watching on Facebook and Instagram, head over to YouTube because you know YouTube is
Leuk.
amazing. And actually, we have. Are we gonna do the end?
Of course
blah,
we
blah,
are.
blah, 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 blah. Are we gonna do that now?
Sure. why
Yeah.
not?
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah.
Hey. Oh, nice of you to join us.
Yeah.
Aaron just joined us.
Oh, Aaron.
I-
How did you get it before me?
What do you mean? How
I
did I
like
get
the
it
boss
before
of
you?
this.
Yeah, okay, well. Okay, Joao's getting jealous that I got it before him. Anyway, thanks to you guys and all of y'all's donations, which already thank you so much for. We bought a special toy for Joao to play around with during the concerts.
Are we showing it now?
We'll show it now, yeah.
Yes,
Are we doing
yes,
an
let's go,
applause?
let's go.
Are we doing an applause?
Do
Yeah,
we
let's do
like
an
it?
applause for the audience.
Thank you.
Thank you all, you're lovely people. All of your donations, big and small, have helped us come a long way. And now we really have a lot of equipment.
I'm sorry for the final settings
Joao-
because this was
It was a bit
really
stressful.
stressful day.
Yeah, we could only come into the music camera at 7 o'clock. Normally we're here from 6:30, so it was like, oh, panic, panic. So that chord exactly.
So this video is very terrible. I'll make some adjustments if I can.
Which video is terrible?
Uh,
Joao's busy critiquing.
Yeah, it's really without any thing. See, just gonna add a little magenta. Should we do something?
We should actually do something.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Joao
Okay,
is going to
so
show
the
you
impro
a
shit.
new piece of.
20% lullen, 20% muziek.
Oh, nice.
Inderdaad, yeah, it's echt. Yeah. Joao's going to show you his new thing. Which
Oh, look.
do you want to grab these ones so people on Facebook and
So,
Instagram?
I'm watching me watch.
Joao,
Watching
you need
myself
a
being watched in the watch.
girl speak into a microphone, or just be loud. Project.
Look at this! We have a new toy! Look at this, look at this.
Wow.
We have an interface.
Look at
In
that,
your
look
face.
at that guy there.
Oh, that guy. Okay.
Oh.
Different guy.
This guy? Is that that guy?
This guy. No, not yet. We're keeping it as a secret weapon.
Secret weapon. It's our secret. We have a secret weapon for today. Look at this baby. Look.
Wait, can you tell us something about this baby?
Yes, Joao. Project.
Wait,
What's so special
I'll
about
go
this
to a
baby?
mic.
Okay, Joao's gonna come over to the mic so he can actually talk to you about what's going on.
I look like a real soundman.
You can come and
So professional.
Charles.
Can you give me that mic?
Thank you for joining the show. You can sit at the piano, or you need to.
It's just because I want to check the sound before. Can you?
Oh, do I need to do something?
No, but sure. Forget.
Sure.
Sorry.
This is what we have to put up with every day.
Every day.
This is me being a soundman.
Yeah.
I am a soundman. I am a soundman.
I'm ruining my Hashtag just jowl things. Jowl just setting things. Jowl's a good word.
Do you want to explain why
I'm
we call
still
you
trying
Jowl?
this new thing, so not to erase everything.
Anything to
Not too old for you guys. Yeah. So we have this new interface.
Joel, we can't see you. We need you to be taller. I mean,
You need
Oh, yeah,
to be
no,
taller, even worse. Aha! Check. Look at this.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh,
Show them.
we can also see Hilla recording.
Yeah. We can see. We're
It's-
going to record the professionals.
So meta. We can record a recording of
Oh
the
my
recording.
We can we can record the recording.
Guys,
No,
I
wait.
promise we're going to do music in a minute. We're just excited to be live again.
I mean, it's
Yeah.
for you, but it's also for us. So have a bit of patience, please.
Yes, you do. No, because we have this new baby. Show the baby.
Oh,
It's called
this is
Focusrite Scarlet something 18i20.
Scarlet. Okay.
Yes, Scarlet from now on.
We call her Scarlet.
We have a
We
Scarlet
call
with
her
us.
That's a sexy
This,
name.
this name was not
Scarlet.
decided upon by me.
Look at this Scarlet.
We hit a
I mean, you can call him whatever
Scarlet.
you guys.
Scarlet.
Okay,
Scarlet.
for the straight guys it's Scarlet, for the gay guys it's Scarlet.
The gay guy.
Scarlet.
Man, this is like live TV right now. Like,
Yeah,
hello, sir.
this is like
So-
backstage.
Yeah. So, what's your name, sir?
Hit it.
And Hida, what are you doing here today?
I'm here to win 10,000 euros.
Well, good luck with that,
Thank
sir.
you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
What,
Hi, Mom.
Oh my lord.
what role has your family played in getting into Mini Mini Blue Beans?
My family? Oh my god. See, no, this is insensitive. It's not for us.
It's
No,
not
this
for us. This is for a legit. We
So
have a
what I
friend
want to
friend
say is
for
that my
us.
family are the most important for me.
My
Thank you very
family.
much.
You mean my family?
Yes, my family. Okay.
That
but
was
yeah, we have
just
this
point out
is
that was
this
for
is-
a friend of ours.
This was
feels
for
like
a friend
we're
of
already
us.
high here.
Yeah, the friend.
Welcome to the Friday.
This friend might get a bit upset again.
Oh no, you'll be fine with it.
Yeah.
I'm just worried about the
Friday.
rest of the Filipino
Family.
community.
Yeah, maybe it'll go viral.
Oh, that would be great.
Who knows?
Oh,
Who knows?
we'll be viral with this. I think this is getting out of hand.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
what are we supposed to be doing?
Well,
Showing this.
this
That's
is-
it, right?
the
Yeah,
basics.
solid.
So it's
Okay.
got 8 inputs and it's got 10
Oh,
outputs.
yeah.
So many.
Wow,
Jesus.
wow. Take the camera, bro.
I can't see anything, so I'm sorry
Oh.
for everything. I can't see anything. Look at that. Ah, now you can see it from there. It's got optical inputs and outputs. and
I hope that
those technical things I don't understand
Nice.
about. It's got 2 outputs or more. I mean, whatever. I don't know. I don't know a lot about this.
Yeah. Many outputs,
Yes.
also many inputs.
Sorry for this
Yeah.
turbulence.
Scarlett can
Yes. Carlos,
many inputs.
Guys, my nephews are watching.
hey, I'm just saying that, there are many inputs.
Okay.
The outputs, yes.
a very bold number of inputs and outputs. I mean, it depends of how many inputs you want to input.
Wow.
I guess that's the thing.
Anyway, thank you everybody for bearing with. We're gonna start with a song, especially for Stefan, because this is and it's very cute because I always ask Stefan what he wants me to sing, and he always says the same thing. So you guys will already know this one by now.
No.
What's up?
Just a thing.
Oh, what's wrong?
I'm sorry that the video from my home village is not up yet. I mean, it's already up, but YouTube says it's processing. So, come on, YouTube, can you process a bit?
Wait,
faster?
is it still processing?
0% processing.
Oh no.
How many hours did it take to upload this concert from Ortego?
You mean since I have the concert?
Yeah. No.
3 weeks?
No. It's been uploading since, I don't know, it took like 2 hours to upload or 3 hours. But here I have.
We're losing viewers.
They love us.
We were born for this.
Wait until you see the video we recorded me and Benjamin.
come for the music, stay for the tomfoolery.
Yes, there's a lot of that.
Así como cada noche estoy recordando, así en este apartamento me está desesperando. Sigo bebiendo, tu recuerdo me abraza, pasa el tiempo pero tú no pasas. still live on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. So people on Facebook and Instagram, make sure you head over to YouTube and have a nice time.
No, wait, isn't it the other way around?
Dude, that's the joke. Nee, maar dankjewel.
Niks.
Hola Maria.
Maybe restart.
Try turning it on and off.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that
Wait
usually
10
works.
seconds,
Try turning it off and on again.
That usually works.
Anyway, so people who are watching, like Joao, do we have any idea how long it's going to be till it works?
About 90 to 95 minutes.
I laugh, but inside.
You're crying, I know.
I like the rain.
Zeg dat de Jasper. Gisteren heb ik dat ook tegen hem gezegd.
Yeah.
I like walking in the rain so nobody sees him crying. Like the old MSN photos.
yeah, yeah.
I think it's okay.
But that's nice. But I mean,
Shut up.
Whoa. Wow.
Is it okay?
Road.
Yeah, but I mean, who are you speaking to? Because there's just 3 of us here. You mentioned that you said it to Jasper. It's
Yeah.
like, why are you speaking about Jasper? He's not here.
Oh, yeah.
Ja, precies. En je bent net aan het praten. Het is toch wel lastig.
Ja, ik weet het, ja.
Niemand
Am
hier.
I next?
Huh?
Am I next?
No. You need to be next? Yeah.
Kinda.
As soon as
As soon as the sound is good.
Wait. Is A Halter zijn je moeder?
Wie?
A Halter is zijn...
Nee.
Nee toch? Oké, dan is het wel Erin.
Het is niet Aaron, ja.
Ja, dat dacht ik al, maar ze hebben wel dezelfde... Gewoon een E en dan een... Nou ja,
Een naam.
een naam en dan...
Ja.
Mijn moeder heet ook Kleikamp, dus.
Yeah, but I
Ik
think...
ook Red Hans.
Ah, okay.
Maar altijd Kleikamp.
Is dat op Facebook?
This is Facebook, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
There it works.
Why?
Say-
Scarlet is the mistress. No. That's what you get for being having half an hour to work yourself around new equipment. Daisy Daisy. I think I got it.
I think I got it. I think I got it. He only had himself to burn.
Scarlet!
So we're having a few problems with Scarlet. Joao had a bit of a problem in that he only had like 20 minutes to learn how to work a whole new piece of equipment.
Is it working?
Yes, it's
Yay.
working. Okay, so we're gonna invite a very, very special guestino to the
Someone needs
stage.
to do like the
Lishnibble.
camera work, right? How do you get it? Like, why is it not on one? Oh wait, yeah, I get it. I get it. Okay.
Woodzinho, zou jij kunnen komen scrollen voor mij?
Ja.
Alsjeblieft. Of voel je staan?
Oh, I would
Mag
just
ook.
sit.
Oh, oké. Ja,
Shall I
dat is
just sit?
helemaal
Ja,
goed.
goed.
Is
Zolang
this
dat je echt in
corona
die
far away?
richting... Nee, je moet echt in die richting gaan zingen.
Yeah. Corona proof. Hello everyone.
Try to
Oh yeah,
keep
so
your...
this is Jasper
Mouth
Lever.
open.
Jasper Lever.
Yes.
Oh,
So,
leuk, leuk, leuk.
My name is Jasper Lever. I'm not a liver. Well, the name is. And I don't know. How do you describe me?
A very cool guy.
Why don't you tell us a bit about what
30
you
years
do?
old.
Yeah.
I sing in the ensemble of the opera in Stuttgart.
Which is near where Sharon lives. Hello, Sharon. Hello,
Oh,
Knut.
okay. Hello, Sharon.
Come and visit
What are we
Jasper
singing
sometime.
first?
The
Du heute
German.
Kunst.
Yeah. We're going to start off. Well, I know Jasper because he also studied at the Conservatoire in Den Haag. And we did a lot of projects together. And then I also watched him in Don Giovanni.
Oh yes.
And then that's why his name became Jasper Lever.
Exactly.
Because that's what... Was it you that sang that or somebody
what
sang
I
it?
sang.
That's what
Yeah,
you
yeah.
sang it, right?
I
Don
sang-
Giovanni.
Don Giovanni. Yeah, it goes too high, right? It's too much for
Jasper
Scarlett.
starts singing and Joao like behind the desk
Is
is
it
like,
too
oh my
close?
god, oh my god, oh my god.
Please, Scarlett, good morning. No, it's so cool.
Is it good? Yeah. Okay, but now for something completely different.
Oh.
Is that too soft? I don't know.
Maar gast, zing maar gewoon.
Tame that woman.
It's impossible.
Let's do it.
There's no taming women. That's not how
Oh,
it
we
works.
will start with a song of a Lied by Franz Schubert, An die Musik.
most amazing voice.
No.
Jasper, you are a legend.
What are we doing? Oh, first
Giving
of
you
all, I
compliments.
said Kunst, but of course it is Kunst
Oh,
in the last
my
sentence. So
God.
now,
From
yeah.
someone in Germany.
No, but-
Yeah, I know. I was like,
Excommunicated right now. Angela
Yeah.
Merkel, we have a
Fired.
problem.
you're fired.
I thought it was quite funny and ironic, you know, like Kunst is like this holy word, and we would get like, no, it's Kunst. Kunst, Kunst.
Hey, Kunst.
Yeah, that was quite good. Nice one, Jasper.
Thank you very much.
Dankjewel, Skral.
Thank you, thank you.
Graag gedaan. Dat was, ben ik klaar?
Ja,
Dat was het.
Um,
Mag weg.
ja, jij mag weg.
Whoa. So yeah,
Leuk man.
yeah, leuk man, leuk.
Ja.
And I hope people are enjoying this.
Yeah,
I
for
think
sure.
I'm very happy to be on the show.
So
It's a
cute.
nice platform to use and to be with these lovely friends of mine who I've not seen in 100 years.
That's true. We haven't
Yeah.
seen Jasper in
No.
ages, so it's really nice to have him here. Dons le show.
Last minute as well. So
Yeah, we
That's
we
how
went
it
for
works,
that's how
for
it goes
like
in the show.
500
Ju-
cup of teas yesterday,
That's your yes.
and Jasper was like, "Can I join the show tomorrow?"
Yeah, maybe.
And it was like,
I feel
yeah,
like saying a
awesome.
little bit.
So that was really nice.
Do you have a name for this show? Is there?
Just Benjamin J. Alarms living
Yeah.
room concerts,
Benjamin's
Mm.
live stream.
basically.
Okay. Room for
Improvement.
improvement.
Yeah.
And in case people are wondering, yes, Jasper is also a voice actor.
Oh, shut up! No, yes, I am actually.
Yeah.
Oh no! Yes.
So if anybody wants this fantastic voice on their shizzle, then
Male Benjamin.
yeah, get in touch with us and we can put you in touch with
Yeah.
Jasper Lever.
Yeah, we can leave a link on the description.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
true.
And
You
leave
can
a
give
like,
us your
leave a
Facebook
like
or
and
something.
subscribe.
Oh yeah, no, but legitimately do that. Like, remember, guys, subscribe
Yeah.
downstairs,
Downstairs.
underneath,
Underneath, downstairs,
underneath your clothes.
In the basement.
in the basement. What
No, I said underneath your
Oh,
clothes.
underneath
No,
the-
Shakira.
do we do? Underneath my stairs.
We like Shakira here.
We do
Yeah,
like
we do.
Shakira.
We like Shakira. in
This
the
is a
show.
Shakira household.
Maybe it
Yeah.
should be like the Shakira tribute show.
Oh
God.
no.
Maybe.
I
Don't
think-
give us ideas.
Don't
because
give-
we
It's already
will
a better
definitely
name.
do
Please
that.
don't give that. Oh, rude.
We will definitely do that. How rude.
Well, it's otherwise it's like Benjamin Jagolahem.
You know, just a living
And
room
friends.
concerts.
Yeah,
No,
it's like
Everyone.
Pavarotti and friends.
but is it Toho?
Yeah.
Yeah,
No.
that's true. Yeah.
Pavarotti.
Are we doing?
Friends.
Danny boy.
Oh, okay.
I call Vorostovsky.
Oh,
What is he?
He would be Bryn Tervel or something.
Oh yes.
No, that's not bad.
Let's call Vorostovsky.
no, that's Dostoevsky, toch?
Oh,
Die,
Dostoevsky. We zeiden Horvoro.
Oh,
Vorostovsky.
yeah. Sorry, same person, right?
Oh yeah, no.
Eto,
He is dead.
wait.
Okay, let's do it.
Alright,
Let's
bro.
do it. I think
Which
people,
which
I
key do we
think
do it
people
in?
don't like this.
Which-
Yes, they
Oh,
do.
girl,
Do they
you
love
would be
this shit?
surprised.
Yes.
People
Okay,
Don't
absolutely
say
love
that
this.
word.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Or
I feel
else
bad.
Benjamin will beat you up.
My nephews.
Pardon
will,
my friend.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure they've never heard swear words before.
Yeah,
Absolutely not.
They're 10, and like
Yeah.
11, 12, 13. They've never heard bad words before.
They're still
Yeah, you
innocent.
want to
Anyway,
hear those words after
Yours,
18.
yours,
Now,
folks here.
yes, we're gonna do an
Which-
Irish traditional.
Which key did we do it in? Oh, just
A
G
low
major,
one.
right?
I have no idea. It was low. Felt low.
C
Oh.
flat, I guess, no?
Stop.
No, I think.
Stop.
But if it's too low. I don't know.
If it's wrong,
If it's
we
too
can
low, if
we
it's
just-
too low, we start again.
yeah, stop and you tell me to go.
But you
higher.
start, right?
No. You sing this one solo, bro.
Wait. Oh, and then we do it again.
No, and then the other one, the spiritual. Then I start and this one.
Oh,
This
that
is
was
still a
Deep
solo.
River. Oh, I didn't know. Oh, yeah. I thought we were doing this one. You're right. Oh, but I want to do it a bit higher, though. Yeah.
No, that's too high.
Yeah, that's nice. I'll see with every key. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, for boy.
Ha ha ha. That's the thing.
He has just texted me saying just back. So this will be great. I think it can be a little bit lower, right?
What's the starting note? Thank you.
Nice, Jasper. Oh,
I just keep like being like, what's the tonality?
but I mean, that's the thing. How often do you sing
Jazz
with those
or
sorts of chords? Do you know what I mean? I mean, in the
no.
opera you don't do that. So of course
no?
it's like
Sometimes I just what's happening? What? But that's nice.
this isn't a normal chord.
And now
No.
his father is going to listen to that all week.
You,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
I mean, Hit is
You will-
joking.
You will set.
You think
No,
Hit is
I'm not.
you think Hit is joking?
Yeah.
We went back
What do
to
you
my
mean?
parents' house when Wits came with us, and it was just on the whole time. Like
No.
they came down in the morning, and it was so adorable because the
That's
concerts
hilarious.
were on and just like all day non-stop. It was so lovely. Love
All
you,
day.
Dad.
All
That's so
night.
cute. Thank you.
All day. all
But
night.
after a while, it was just like I kind of want to listen to something else.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Thank you, Benjamin.
I'm glad I have such a big fan. We still have one more to do.
Two.
Oh. Today.
Yeah, when I fall in love.
Oh yeah. Oh
If
girl.
you don't mind, if I'm taking too much time here.
No,
tell
absolutely
me.
not.
Because
Absolutely
otherwise
not.
we can just call it the Jasper and Benjamin
Rough.
show. But
No,
no,
dan doen we
let's
dat
not
gewoon
do
voor
that.
vanavond.
Um,
When I Fall in Love in C major.
I like that you named yourself first.
Yeah, I know, but that's what I mean. It's like
The Jasper and Benjamin.
Jasper and Benjamin show. But it's not.
I'm the bitch now.
It's
Bitches.
still Benjamin show.
It's really nice. You guys can't see it, but it's so cute being sat here and watching Joao and Hidda's reactions to whenever Jasper is singing, because Jasper starts like getting into it and singing really beautifully, and you just watch. I can just see Joao and Hidda just going.
Oh, come on.
Really lovely.
Lovely to be here.
Yeah.
When I fall in love, in stores coming to your.
Oh, Jasper, it's so amazing to have you here.
That was very nice.
That was very
That
nice.
was
We
very
definitely
nice.
need to do this more often. When you're back to Stuttgart, when you're back from Stuttgart,
Yeah.
bruv, we
Bruv.
bruv,
Bruv.
we got to get together. Is it?
Is it? Okay, that was very nice. I like that.
Yeah. That. Oof.
Sometimes, you know, improvisation is like food for the soul.
Yeah.
Even if it's just literally just humming or something. For everyone, I think it's very healthy to do so.
There you have it.
Rhythm
Fresh
of
from the
very-
base of Stuttgart Opera,
What do we?
Diepe Rivier.
So we're doing spiritual now, and we talked about this yesterday.
Yeah.
I don't know if we wanna. Okay,
We're just gonna do it.
that's clear. Yeah.
We hope you guys really like it. This is one of my favorite spirituals,
Hmm.
and Jasper suggested it, and of course Jasper has this amazing voice to sing these very nice, low,
I'm
deep.
like trying to find the text, but I know it by heart. So
Yes,
I,
I
don't,
just
I have
did
no
the
idea
same.
why I'm like looking.
So this one we're gonna sing together, and
Yeah, you're starting, right?
get a tissue. Yeah.
Enjoy.
Rob. Oh, can't say anything with these boys after
It's fun.
after the camera.
It's nice.
Yeah, talk.
I have to try something here.
Go on. What do
I
you
guess
do?
I think
Joao wants to play around with Carlos.
I think this have a thing here that I can talk to it.
No, for real?
No.
Yeah.
Scarlet,
Like
you keep surprising.
it says talk.
Scarlett,
It
you
says
saucy
talkback.
little
I'm not
minx.
sure if this is entering somewhere, but it says talkback. So I guess it's that hole there,
Oh,
and
well,
it's definitely
it's
something
one of
there.
those.
So speak into the hole, and the
wow.
hole abides. That's how it works. Yeah, yeah.
Anyway,
Are we going a bit off topic again?
Yeah.
type.
Un petit peu.
Pardon me. Did some burps there. All part of the show.
That they were beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Burping.
Hit it. Thank you so much.
You're really welcome. Thank you so
Thank
much
you
for
so much.
joining.
You guys as well.
It's been really fun.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, Jasper has to run away because he has a
I do
concert
have to
tomorrow.
run away.
Do you want to tell people about the concert you're doing tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow I'll be one of the soloists in the Concertgebouw doing some Concertgebouw in Amsterdam. It will be live streamed as well, so that's pretty nice. If you want to see the Concertgebouw once in your life and you don't have the means to go there right now, or
Or you're not
haven't
in the
seen it
country.
before, or you're not in the country, go look it up. You go to radio4.nl, and it will be tomorrow at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Dutch time. So for
Radio
British people,
4 written out or radio?
Radio 4, just with a number 4.
okay,
.nl.
radio4.nl at 1 o'clock Dutch time. So for British people, that's 12 o'clock.
Oh, and we'll be doing this epic opera by Mascagni. It's Il Piccolo Marat, and it's rarely done, so it's worth your time. And yeah, if you have time, put it on and enjoy some bombastic, beautiful music.
Awesome.
What are you
Epic.
singing?
I'm singing The Spy, which is a tiny role, but still I'm in there, so it's nice. Yeah, I'm basically talking about like drinking wine and everything, so
Dream life.
sums up my life. Yes.
Regular James Bond.
Wine. Today we have a Cabernet.
Enjoy, guys. Have a great night. I love your show. I'll be back.
Thank you. Yes, absolutely.
Hopefully soon,
I'm
but-
holding you to that.
I'll be back in Stuttgart soon, So
Enjoy Stuttgart. Thanks
have
for
fun,
being here.
guys. Enjoy.
For sure.
Enjoy. Thank
Guys,
you for
give
having
Jasper
me.
some love in the comments.
Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Oh, that was really lovely. I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as we had, as much as we enjoyed doing that for you guys.
Felipe is there, isn't he?
Ik denk dat het een tijdje geleden was.
Well, he says the great Jasper, so that's nice.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Joao, would you like to do our special September song?
Why not?
And now we invite our soundman Jorginho to the stage. Ciao Jasper.
Plezier morgen.
Thanks. Gelukkig.
Ja, veel plezier.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Heel graag gedaan.
Bye bye.
Bye. Joao is under the indruk. Under the impression. He's an amazing singer. He's a good lad.
Yeah.
Did you get the message from my?
Yeah, I saw it.
Hopefully that was okay because it's our first day with Carlos.
Carlos.
Scarlets. What do you call them? Scarlet. And then for me it's Scarlet.
Or if it's in a British accent,
Scarlet. She needs a text drop.
I'll picture you there.
Anyway, yeah. So for people that are just tuning in, I'm eating my beard. No, we had a thanks to all y'all's donations and everything, we managed to get an amazing new piece of equipment. We showed it off at the beginning, so if
But
you
we
didn't,
can't work with it.
if you didn't see it, let us know. Like go and watch this tomorrow and watch at the beginning. So it's a beautiful, sexy piece of equipment, and
That we can choose.
which Joao still has trouble using because Durafim, he specifically asked for extra time today, and unfortunately the people here at the Music Camera were like, yeah, you can't come before 7 o'clock. And Joao was like, can we go at like 5:30 so I get some time to get used to it? So thank you, Joao, for
nothing.
for trying to. No, I mean, you know.
I quite like people sitting there, camera-wise.
Yeah, I think it's cool, but can I use your phone
Yeah,
for
you
lyrics?
can use my phone
Okay.
for the text.
Awesome.
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 Anyway, because it's September, me and Jorginho are gonna do our special song.
Yeah, so we'll be
Which-
sleeping until there.
Roger
until
says piano fine, but just can't hear the vocals.
Yeah.
X.
Okay.
I know, Roger. I'm sorry. Sorry for that, Roger.
Oh, before we do
Before
this,
Before we.
with Zinho, would you like to come? Because wait, hold on. I think. very special person at North. Joao, Poi says they can't hear anything of the talking or the vocals. Guys, can you just let us know in the comments if the sound is working on YouTube for the vocals and stuff?
Hey.
You make me feel. No worries. Sorry, I thought that was what I was supposed to be doing. The lamp is too bright. But do they mean this one? Wrong one. I do realize I've just been being blinded by like an hour, so. Thank you everybody for writing in the comments.
Nice too bright.
If you guys haven't done it so far, make sure take this time to get an extra gin and tonic if you're Lynn Goldsmith. Otherwise, go and grab a wine or a cider, and make sure that you click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you click on the like button. And Hitter is quoting that. Do you want to come and say it? You make sure you guys click on the like button and make sure that you click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much in advance. We've already had some people who have donated, and that's awesome. We've still got a little bit of a way to go, but we've already got loads of equipment, and everything that you guys can see is ours now. Yes, including our new Scarlos interface. Am I allowed to dabble, or you still need me to be quiet, Joao?
Wait.
Does anyone know a good joke? Maybe y'all could write it in the comments after you've clicked subscribe and clicked on the like button and donated. Thank you.
We can tell a joke,
We can tell a joke.
but then only tell the answer. Like tell the punchline.
Oh,
when
that's
people
really
have
good.
actually subscribed. We'll tell the punchline at 500 subscribers.
That's really good. Well,
I don't
chocolate
know
is
what's
also a very good.
I don't know it.
So Lynn Goldsmith definitely knows what's up.
Yeah,
She can hear. So how is it possible that
but she said the piano's fine, but the vocals are still quiet.
Yeah, but I don't know why.
In the last comment.
Oh.
Okay, give a warning because I'm turning your mic off for like 20 seconds.
Okay. Dewey.
Ciao.
The funny thing is, I can now start talking, and people on YouTube have no idea what I'm saying.
Talking
so to
all
them it
sorts
just
of
looks like
smack.
blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
Oh man, so funny.
Yeah.
Trial, just make sure you tell us. I am now
Silton.
Silton.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Sadly, she died
Jesus.
on the way to the hospital.
Oh my god.
Are we back on already,
There was
Joe?
all sorts of internal hemorrhaging.
Hidder.
Why are you laughing? This is so inappropriate.
Sorry.
Oh, no, sorry.
So yeah, that was around
No, there's definitely something wrong
3
here.
years ago.
Oh man, did it not get the stuff for the Oscar properly?
Of course I got. Everything's there, just quite low.
Right.
No, but it's definitely on. I don't know.
Lynn Goldsmith.
What was it? Scarlet.
Yeah. With 2 T's or 1 T?
2 T's.
TTE.
TT. No.
Or just TT.
Scarlett.
TT. Scarlet.
T-
Scarlet.
Scarlet. That's my English face.
Scarlet.
Scarlet.
This is my English mouth position. Scarlet.
Well, there's definitely something weird going on.
Scarlet. Is that like Brummy? Scarlet. Scarlet.
Scarlet. I think it's more of a
Scarlet.
Yeah, that's very British.
Scarlet. But Brummy.
Scarlet.
Like
Is it? Yeah, I don't think that the is pretty.
Scarlet. I've watched a video today explaining the difference between Geordie and Brummy accents.
Oh, that's really
It's
interesting.
really interesting. And like how to tell different accents apart. One was New Zealand and Australian. Other one was Geordie and Brummy.
New York, Boston.
Was it with the Asian dude who does it? There's a Korean dude who does those videos.
No, it was an American dialect coach called Eric Singer. He's really good.
Is he a singer?
No.
Okay, I'll
Sadly.
try another thing. Bear with me for a few seconds.
Bearing with. Maak maar geen zorgen. Piano fine, so okay.
Can you at least explain people?
I just did.
Sorry.
Scarlett. Scarlett. Will sing.
Which composer is this?
Greek. Allegro moderato.
Okay, I drank something else again. Sorry for this. Oh, panic! Can you try speaking on the mic, please?
Testing 1, 2, 3. Clenio.
I'll hear it in like 50 seconds.
Okay.
Clenio. Lol. Greek is always nice.
Greek is also very nice. I also very much appreciated the comment of somebody who said they felt like deaf Beethoven, old Beethoven.
Yeah. The Merari 18.
The Merari 18. Maybe play
It's pronounced
charades.
Merari.
Mararie. It's French actually.
Yeah.
It's from my little village in Pays de Galles.
Pedgal. Pedgal. Yeah, shall we continue? I liked it.
No, Joao, what did you want us to do? Talk into the microphones, right?
I don't know anymore. No, it's definitely not.
Oh.
Okay, guys?
No, we agree at all. That's
Oh my lord.
Greek.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Oh, who is this?
Wie is dat?
Yo, who are you? Can you come every week, please? No, we don't.
Oh.
Okay. We can I killed Benjamin.
Oh.
Maybe,
Okay.
maybe it's Gita or something. Now, Mr. Ari. Mr. Ari.
4 bars, just for you to improvise over.
Yeah.
C minor. A minor.
we can do the bum bum bada bada bum bum. It's quatre-mains, but
What's it called? A clog.
Iklug. Gleek at home.
Oh, they know Finzi. Who is this?
What the hell? Or is it the artist formerly known as Bertie?
Ah, Trisha.
Trisha, okay.
That would be really nice. Let's play through that. We've got 30 more minutes.
Yeah.
Oh no, I've lost the internet. Oh no, no, everything's going wrong. Everything is going wrong. The innocent can never last. Wake me up when September ends. Like my father's come to pass. The 7 years has gone so fast. Wake me up when September ends. Here comes the rain again, falling from the stars, drenched in my pain again, becoming who we are. As my memory rests, but never forgets what I lost. Wake me up when September ends.
Ooh.
Oh my lord.
Oops, sort of. Mystery. Fine.
I must say it sounds very good on my headphones.
Hmm? It's not bad. Okay.
No.
I've heard worse.
Yeah. I've heard worse. Give it a whirl, girl. Okay, dus ik speel de melodie.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. do this again because we need this from him. Van het begin van de maat. Ja, hij speelt ons de twee.
Jij speelt 7 partijen. Shouldn't the orchestra page turn?
Well, there are still 7 people watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Oh, they can't hear us anyway.
They can.
I hope you guys enjoyed that.
They hear from the
Oh, from the piano mics? Okay. Hi guys, thanks for still being there. I hope you guys enjoyed that. You guys should really check out that piece. It's by Finzi. It's called Eclogue, and it's really, really, really like one of the most beautiful pieces you'll like ever hear. Do you know what I mean?
Eclogue you.
Eclogue you. Eclogue.
I think it's Trisha. Might be Trisha. Couldn't handle the counterpoint. More or less. Singing. Weet je al wie het is? Oké.
Nog iets?
Ja. Nou ja,
We hebben 10 minuten.
iets van Debussy of zo? Of is dat te standaard? Iets Spaans. De los Alamos Vengo Madre.
By
Rodrigo. De los Alamos. Misschien gewoon De los Alamos Vengo Madre. Maar het kan ook dat het te modern is. Ah, jammer. Te standaard. Dus het is een Nederlander. Of een Vlaming. Te standaard. Geen.
We can do one slow.
Machado.
SLP. Als een echte opa.
Man. Wees niet zo... Hoe heet die...
Zo. Claire de Lune.
Ja, maar vanuit welke...
Staat daar toch? Bij de C?
Ja, maar dat is, die, dat is niet die pianostuk. Het komt uit Suite... Bergamasque.
Bergamasque.
Nederlander.
Children's Corner. Nou ja, we komen er vast vanzelf achter.
Ja. Het is gewoon een beetje voor de gein. Voor de gein.
Children's Corner, weet je wat dat betekent?
Ja, het is een stuk van... Het is een suite van Debussy.
Dus
maar
het is iemand die echt wel
ook pianomuziek.
veel van muziek weet, een Nederlander.
Er zijn er wel veel.
Een Nederlander die gewoon goed piano kan spelen.
En Finzi ook.
Ja.
Ik bedoel, ja, wie kent Finzi?
Ja. Caroline of zo. Zeker woord. NL.
Geen idee. Oh yeah, we have to applaud him.
Home. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much for
Sorry for this.
Shut up.
Als je durft. Zeg als je durft.
Yeah, Joao, can you come here to sing Happy Birthday?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm very sorry. Before we
You don't need to scream.
I do have to scream. It's a
Okay.
it's a condition.
If you say
There's a very special person at North Hill, and it's his birthday. So everybody can sing Happy Birthday for Seth.
Woo! Seth, your nephew.
Sethi. What?
Oh, okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Seth. Happy birthday to you. Lang zal je leven, lang zal je leven, lang zal je leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria. Woo!
Happy birthday, Seth.
Happy birthday, Seth.
I love you. I hope you have a lovely year, and I will see you maybe at Christmas. Otherwise, soon. Mwah.
Happy birthday. Sorry for this. Next week we'll have this figured out. I hope.
Nee, dank je.
Fingers crossed, bitch.
Chef, transition.
Drie kruisen, yay. Dit is kinderhoek.
Nee, dit is Sweetburgermasker.
Chapeau for that transition. For more quality content.
Wait, can you speak at the mic?
Hello, Joao.
Wait.
Hello, Joao. It's not. My name
No, it's okay.
is Hede Kleikamp.
Hello, Hede Kleikamp.
Thank you. Hello. Mute waltz.
Well, I need some time for this.
I have some things, though.
Aww. Next week.
Yeah, for 1K.
this melody up an
Yeah.
octave, and I'll do the 1, 2, 3. Too much Renaissance music.
Another one. Oh, wat een leuk stuk zeg.
Ja, het is echt heel mooi, hè?
Ik ken die hem al.
Ja.
Oh,
It's 10.
It's finished?
It's 10 o'clock.
Ja.
oké.
Thank you everybody for watching.
I can read it. Doesn't matter.
Mhm.
Dat zou je super mooi zingen. Ja, volgende week.
You are beautiful in every single way. Ja,
I think we have to stop it now.
Yeah, but we can keep this going.
Mystery 18. Streamers.
Yeah, I guess that is what they thought 300 years ago.
Oh, sorry, I wrote it wrong.
You're the worst. Oh yeah. Bucks. Okay. I mean,
Oh,
if
shit.
he's the one saying it, we can
Yeah.
say it. I think.
Yo, rip. Ripping.
yours really quietly. Should we all sit around the mic?
You can just pull them, put them here.
The first time I met you, my darling, your eyes were as. Okay, we should probably not do that. Ready? Hello, YouTube.
What's in It's a nice setup.
It's lovely,
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Okay.
Love for compact.
Compact. Compact. Compact. Stop making fun of it.
Ja?
Snibbel nou, jongen. Hoe wil je het doen? You sing a verse and we do
Inderdaad.
Cool.
Oké. Dus bas en
Ja.
melodie, dan ga ik naar boven of doe ik de melodie in de refrein?
Ja, ik kan de melodie doen.
The first time I met you, my darling, your face was as fair as the rose, but now your dear
You can go.
The first time I met you, my darling, your face was as fair as the rose, but now your dear face has grown paler, as pale as a lily white rose. I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair as she grows. It's a rose that reminds me of you. You're fair as a spring, oh my darling. Your face shines so bright, so divine. The fairest of blooms in my garden. Oh, lily white rose, you are mine. I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair as she grows. It's a rose that reminds me of you. Years pass by so quickly, my darling. Each makes you more precious to me. But long may we grow close together. Oh, lily white rose, cling to me. I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair as she grows. It's a rose that reminds me of you. And now that you've left me, my darling, from your grave one single flower grows. I'll always remember you, darling, when I gaze on that lily white rose. I love the white rose in its guys can hear me now. Thank you so much for watching this week. Thank you for bearing with. Lots of love, and thank you to our amazing sound guy who is going to be too hard on himself. So thank you for showing him love in the comments because we love our sound man. He's a good lad, and just because Scarlet/Scarlos,
That's the problem. You calling him Scarlos.
him,
Her.
They,
Maybe
They-
it's they are having some
maybe it's yeah.
problem.
They are having.
I mean, we
but
we
also
understand it.
thank you
We
to
respect it.
thank you to Widzinho, thank you for Joao Junior,
Casper.
and for Jasper.
Yes.
Casper.
Just
Casper.
call me Casper.
Thank you
It's
for
like the ghost.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
No, the friendly
I
ghost.
know.
She is a friendly ghost.
Dude, I know a flutist who's called Casper.
Yeah, it's a
Mm.
common name.
More or less.
Some people are called Casper here.
Yeah.
Thank you for Jasper. It was
Mm.
awesome having him here. I hope we got a good recording of that. Otherwise, yeah,
It'll be online.
it will be online. And otherwise, next time he's here, then we will really have all our own equipment. Remember, guys, subscribe underneath. Put a like. Put a comment. Thank you. You were all really, really active in the comments today. That was really
Yeah.
lovely. Thank you for.
It started a bit shy, I think. But
Yeah,
then
it
kind of
really got
moved on.
going. Thank you for
That was
typing,
really fun.
typing.
Yeah.
And make sure that after this video finishes, you write a comment underneath the video.
And
Remember to give us all your poolie with the donation options underneath. Tiki for Nederlanders and PayPal for people who want to be cool but aren't quite cool enough. You're all cool, really. Thank you all. It was really nice being able to do this. I mean, it's actually really fun to just sit and play Finzi and to mess around on the piano. I am sorry that it was so stressful for you, this concert. Hopefully
It's not
next
your
week
fault.
it will be a lot better. Thank you all for being there. Next week I spent a good few hours doing an arrangement today, and that's gonna sparkle.
oh yeah.
So
And
make
this
sure
way
that
we
you
have time
guys.
to rehearse it. Actually.
And this way we do actually have time to rehearse it. We did.
But we won't. I mean,
We probably still won't, but we theoretically we have time
We
to
have
rehearse
the
it.
time.
not
We
the
also may have a
disposition.
special guest next week as well, so make sure you tune in. Actually,
Ooh.
2 special guests.
Woohoo.
And one who may not be a guest but joining our concerts regularly. So
Woohoo.
make sure you stay tuned
Oh,
for that. Remember that soon we're going to be transitioning to a Patreon. So that's a different way for you guys to give us your puli, which helps us make it a bit more predictable rather than these donations, because sometimes we get loads, sometimes we get less, and actually getting a stable thing on Patreon gives us enough, well, it lets us know how much time we
Yeah.
can actually put into these concerts. So thank you guys for donating so much, because we've got so much equipment already. I'm looking forward to doing awesome concerts all the way up till the end of the year and into 2021. These aren't going to stop. They may change form, but this is keep going. It's a freight train, you know. It's just going, and that's it. So we're here every Friday. We're
She's
also
interested.
I didn't
She's
hear,
very
but
it's
interested.
good news.
Okay,
We're
yeah.
also the thing is with these concerts, we're looking into getting really. I mean, it's amazing being here, but we're looking into like hiring churches, or not even hiring, but to get our way into
Buying them.
churches, to buying churches, to doing the churches,
Building
to
our
doing
own churches. I mean,
Cool.
yeah, churches, theaters. And we're also, you know, I'm like trying to do an arrangement of Fauré's Requiem for piano, organ, and flute with some jazz stuff in it. So we've got some really interesting stuff coming up. We're going to try and get like a big church and get like 12 singers at Corona distance. And we've got some really interesting things coming. So that's the thing with the Patreon. Once we know how much we have coming in every month, then we can really start putting work into not just these little concerts, which are also lovely,
Start
but
actually organizing some
actually-
bigger things.
exactly doing
Yeah.
bigger things so you guys get more like the Portuguese stuff. Which
Yeah.
and also then we also need
Have
your
to check it
pulley
again
for
for
equipment for
this
when we're
one.
on the road, because we're aware that the concerts from Portugal was just recorded on somebody's phone, which we're really thankful for. But obviously we would like to be able to give you guys these concerts
Also with viewer listening experience.
also. And the
Oh,
fun
yeah.
thing about Patreon, this is the awesome thing, because if you guys, even if you guys just give €5 a month, €10 a month, then you get access to extra little videos that we put up of us guys just being awesome, funny, and hilarious. And you know, we
that
went
says all the time.
we went and we did some Christmas recordings today, and for example, that sort of stuff is going to be up on the Patreon as well. So
See
it's
what we're
not
up
it's
to.
not just subscribing for this stuff. Like if you actually subscribe, then you actually guys you do get something back as well. So hopefully you guys will support us on that next leg of the journey, because this is our, I believe this is our 25th concert or 25th week of doing this. So that's, you know, more than
That's almost-
half a year.
That's
No, wait,
almost
I'm bad at maths.
6 months.
It's
Yeah.
almost half a year. Yeah, 6
Should
months.
be 6 months next week, I guess. Or
Because
the
it
other
started
one.
like 2 weeks into Corona time,
Yeah.
I guess,
Yeah.
right? So
Oh, it's,
So
at the end of March,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
almost half
Yeah.
a year.
It's almost
So
6 months.
it's been a long time, and this is only just going to keep growing, keep growing. I've got so many people. The thing is with Corona, it's tricky planning everything, but I've got so many people who are interested in joining, like Jasper and loads of other people that just want to come and have a jam. So it's going to stay fresh, and hopefully Corona goes in the right direction, and we can start doing more bigger stuff. But also with the Patreon of you guys supporting us and us getting a real idea of how much we can pay our sound man and how much we can give people like Jasper and Hida for them also contributing, so that we know how much work we can do. So that was it from me. Thank you all for being here. Thanks for staying with us to the end. There's 7 people still watching. Y'all are absolutely
Awesome.
amazing.
Yeah.
Once again,
We
love
had
to
like
Wids.
10 people while you were
That was
playing,
very
yeah.
true. I was happy we had so many. Love to Widzinho. Love to Jorginho. Love to Jasper. Love to all of you. Stay safe.
No,
Stay
it won't
healthy.
stop after Corona.
No,
Just so you know.
it's absolutely not going to stop after Corona. This is legit. I mean, this is legit what I've sort
We're
of...
sitting to the front now.
Yeah,
This is
no,
serious
exactly. It's
business.
because this
Now-
is like... This is something that basically... Now I'm not putting any energy
We
into
want
finding gigs or anything, because my sort of life goal is that I can become self-sufficient and give these guys an income through the Patreon. So in 12 years... 12 months...
Oh, okay, that's
12
better.
months.
I'm like, okay,
That,
12 years working for free.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
that,
Okay.
that
I mean,
within...
They warned us.
now I know.
7 years at Conservatoire. This is really like what I'm going to be spending the rest of my year on, at least, and basically what I'm dedicating my life to for the next amount
12
of
years?
Well, you know, I mean, it's not going to stop. And the nice thing is, you know, I've spoken to artists who I do have some concerts with next year, for example, and they've said, you know, that I can also just record their concerts and send that out live. So it's basically just like having your own concert series. And I'm really looking forward to be able to, you know, before the end of the year, we're going to have a classical concert. I was talking with Jorginho about what we're going to do at Christmas. We're going to have like a caroling one. We're going to do another postcard one. What else? I've got lots of ideas. Once we get once we can have more than, I mean, how we're doing it, essentially me, Wids and Jorginho are in quarantine together. So whenever we have a guest, we sit them at Corona safe distance. This is actually quite a big room, even though it might not look like it.
Yep.
And so for the 3 of us, you know, we're essentially living together. So sure. But the thing is, that makes it more difficult than with guests, because I really want to start doing operas and musicals as well. And I have people lined up. Bruv.
It was in the right way.
Whoa, that looks really cool.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, once again.
Sorry.
For Joao. 3, 2, 1.
No, but it should be like just
Oh, I see.
Oh, okay.
coming
3,
from
2.
there to here.
3,
Okay.
2, 1. Hey, hey.
We were caught in the act. We were caught in the act by our
Welkom terug, we
sponsors.
zijn nog live. We zijn gewoon even aan het babbelen met het publiek. Ja, toch?
We waren net aan het afronden, denk ik.
Ja, eigenlijk wel. So that's it, everybody.
Caught in the act by our sponsors.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They are our sponsors.
yeah. The
They help
people
us
from the
with
music
all of
camera
this.
just came back.
Jan
So.
en Arja.
Yes.
Is Jasper weg?
Ja, hij moest vroeg gaan. Helaas.
Ja?
But that's
So
it.
should we
Thank
say
you guys
goodbye?
for watching. See you next week. Make sure you tune in.
Yes. Doei.
Oh wait.
Not yet. Okay. Go.
There we go. Did we see him?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
What's his name?
Benjamin.
Benjamin. Oh, yeah, little Benjamin.
Doei. Doei.
Het is net kapper geweest.
Ik ben naar de